Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I am Alex.
And I am Linda, and today's lesson is going to change the way you speak English forever.
This one is big, so let us jump right in.
Today, we're talking about two expressions that confuse almost every English learner.
If I didn't and if I hadn't. These two look very similar, but they mean completely different things.
And by the end of this episode, you will know exactly when to use each one.
You will understand the meaning, the grammar, the uses, and the most common mistakes.
You will feel confident using both in speaking and in writing.
So stay with us because this lesson is going to be very helpful for you. Section 1. Let us understand the big picture first.
Before we look at grammar rules, let's understand what these expressions actually mean.
If I didn't, this talks about the present or future, something that is not true right now.
For example, if I didn't have a job, I would be very bored.
Right now, I have a job, so I'm imagining the opposite, a situation that is not real.
This is called the second conditional. It talks about imaginary present or future situations.
If I hadn't, this talks about the past, something that did not happen.
For example, if I hadn't studied, I would have failed the exam.
In reality, I did study, so I'm imagining what if I had not studied in the past.
This is called the third conditional, and it talks about imaginary past situations.
So here's the simple difference. If I didn't is about now or the future. If I hadn't is about the past.
Present and future use didn't. Past use hadn't. Keep this in your mind.
Section 2. If I didn't. Structure, meaning, and how to use it.
The full structure is if plus subject plus simple past, then subject plus would plus base verb.
Wait, simple past? But we're talking about the present.
Yes, in English, we use the simple past form to talk about imaginary present or future situations.
The past form here does not mean past time. It shows that the situation is not real.
If I didn't live here, I would move to another city. I do live here, so this is imaginary.
If I didn't have a car, I would take the bus every day. I do have a car.
If she didn't work so hard, she would not be so successful. She does work hard.
Let us look at the full structure.
If plus subject plus did not plus base verb, comma, subject plus would plus base verb.
If I didn't eat breakfast, I would feel weak all morning.
If he didn't speak English, he would not get that job.
If we didn't have electricity, life would be very different.
Two parts, the if part with simple past and the result part with would.
The order can be reversed too. I would be very bored if I didn't have a hobby. No comma.
When if comes first, comma in the middle. When if comes second, no comma.
Section 3. The uses of if I didn't.
Use 1. Talking about imaginary present situations.
If I didn't have children, I would travel the world. I do have children, imagining the opposite.
If he didn't live so far away, we would meet more often. He does live far away.
Use 2. Expressing things we are grateful for.
If I didn't have you, I would be lost. I'm glad I have you.
If I didn't have this opportunity, I would never grow. I'm grateful for this.
This use sounds very warm and emotional, great for expressing real feelings.
Use 3. Giving advice and warnings about the present.
If you didn't practice every day, your English would stop improving.
If she didn't take her medicine, she would feel worse.
These sentences explain why something matters, why it should continue.
Use 4. Talking about hypothetical jobs and skills.
If I didn't know how to cook, I would eat outside every day.
If he didn't understand numbers, he couldn't be an accountant.
Use 5. Imagining a different future.
If I didn't have this chance, my future would look very different.
If I didn't believe in myself, I would never try anything new.
Section 4. If I hadn't, structure, meaning, and how to use it.
Now let's look at the other one, if I hadn't.
This one talks about the past, a situation that already happened or did not happen.
The structure is if plus subject plus had not plus past participle, then subject plus would have plus past participle.
Simply, hadn't plus the third form of the verb, then would have plus the third form.
If I hadn't studied, I would have failed. I did study, so I passed.
If he hadn't helped me, I wouldn't have finished the project. He did help.
If we hadn't left early, we would have missed the train. We did leave early.
The past is already done. We cannot change it, but we can imagine what could have been.
If I hadn't met her, my life would have been completely different.
If she hadn't taken that risk, she would never have succeeded.
If I hadn't moved to this city, I wouldn't have found this job.
Notice, hadn't is had not, always followed by the past participle, the third form.
Studied, eaten, gone, taken, met, finished. These are all past participles.
If I hadn't gone there, if she hadn't eaten breakfast, if we hadn't met.
Always hadn't plus past participle and would have plus past participle in the result.
Section 5. The uses of if I hadn't.
Use 1. Reflecting on past decisions.
If I hadn't chosen this career, I would have been miserable.
If she hadn't decided to study abroad, she wouldn't have learned the language.
We use this to think deeply about our past choices and their impact.
Use 2. Expressing gratitude for past events.
If I hadn't met my best friend in school, my life would have been so lonely.
If he hadn't given me that advice, I would have made a terrible mistake.
If I hadn't found this podcast, my English would not have improved so much.
Use 3. Expressing regret.
If I hadn't spent all my money, I could have saved for something better.
If I hadn't been so stubborn, we wouldn't have argued.
Regret is a powerful emotion, and this structure expresses it very naturally.
Use 4. Explaining cause and effect in the past.
If the team hadn't worked together, they wouldn't have won the championship.
If the scientists hadn't discovered that medicine, many lives would have been lost.
If the scientists hadn't discovered that medicine, many lives would have been lost.
Use 5. Storytelling and narrating events.
If the hero hadn't arrived in time, everything would have been destroyed.
If the witness hadn't spoken up, the truth would have stayed hidden. It adds depth and emotion to any story. Make your English more powerful with this.
Section 6. Real conversations. Hear them in action.
Conversation 1. 2 friends talking about work.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, if I didn't enjoy it, I would have quit a long time ago.
And how did you get this position?
If I hadn't taken that online course 2 years ago, I never would have qualified.
Wow, one decision changed everything.
Exactly. If I hadn't been brave enough to try, my life would be very different now.
Notice, if I didn't enjoy is present, if I hadn't taken is past, both in one conversation.
Conversation 2, a student and a mentor.
I am nervous about my future.
But think about this. If you didn't work this hard, would you feel ready at all?
I almost gave up last year.
And if you hadn't kept going, where would you be today?
Probably nowhere near where I am now.
Every step matters. If you hadn't made those sacrifices, this moment wouldn't exist.
Conversation 3. 2 family members. I'm so glad we moved to this neighborhood.
If we didn't live here, the kids wouldn't have such a good school.
And if we hadn't made that decision 5 years ago, we would still be struggling.
If we had stayed in that small apartment, none of this would have been possible.
Moving between past and present, this is how real people actually talk. Section 8. Side-by-side comparison, the key differences.
Let us put both structures next to each other so you can see the difference clearly.
If I didn't have money, I would struggle. Present, I have money now, imagining the opposite.
If I hadn't had money, I would have struggled. Past, I had money then.
If she didn't know the answer, she would stay quiet. Present, habit or state.
If she hadn't known the answer, she would have stayed quiet. A specific past moment.
If we didn't live near the sea, life would feel different. Current situation.
If we hadn't moved near the sea, we would have missed all of this. Past decision.
Ask yourself, am I imagining a different now or a different then?
Different now, use if I didn't. Different then, use if I hadn't. Simple.
Section 8. Common mistakes and how to fix them.
Mistake 1. Using if I didn't when talking about the past.
Wrong. If I didn't study yesterday, I would have failed.
Yesterday is past. Use hadn't. Correct. If I hadn't studied yesterday, I would have failed.
Time words are your guide. Yesterday, last year, when I was young. Always use hadn't.
Mistake 2. Using if I hadn't for present situations.
Wrong. If I hadn't have a job right now, I would be bored.
Right now is present. Correct. If I didn't have a job right now, I would be bored.
Mistake 3. Wrong result with if I didn't.
Wrong. If I didn't live here, I would have moved.
If I didn't is present. Result needs would plus base verb. Correct? I would move.
Mistake 4. Wrong result with if I hadn't.
Wrong. If I hadn't studied, I would fail.
If I hadn't is past. Result needs would have plus past participle.
Correct. If I hadn't studied, I would have failed. Always.
Mistake 5. Forgetting the past participle after hadn't.
Wrong. If I hadn't studied hard, I would have failed.
After hadn't, always use the third form. Study becomes studied. Go becomes gone.
Correct. If I hadn't studied hard, I would have failed. Hadn't plus past participle.
Mistake 6. Using would in the if clause.
Wrong. If I wouldn't have studied, I would have failed.
Never put would or would have in the if clause in either structure.
Correct. If I hadn't studied, I would have failed. Would have only in the result. Section 9. Contractions. How these sound in real conversation. In spoken English, we almost always use contractions.
In the result with if I didn't, I would becomes I'd, would not becomes wouldn't.
If I didn't have money, I'd struggle. If she didn't live here, she wouldn't know anyone.
For if I hadn't, would not have becomes wouldn't have.
If I hadn't tried, I wouldn't have succeeded. If he hadn't called, we wouldn't have known.
Full form, if I had not studied, I would not have passed, for formal writing.
Contracted, if I hadn't studied, I wouldn't have passed, for speaking and casual writing.
Section 10. Practice tips. How to build your confidence.
Tip 1. Connect these structures to your own real life.
Think of 3 things true about your life now and use if I didn't.
If I didn't have my family, I would feel alone. If I didn't love English, I wouldn't be here.
Making it personal makes it memorable.
Tip 2. Use if I hadn't to reflect on your past.
If I hadn't started learning English, I wouldn't understand this podcast.
Think about important moments in your life. Make sentences. Feel the emotion.
Tip 3. Practice with both in the same topic.
If I didn't study English, I would miss so many opportunities. Present.
If I hadn't started studying English, I would have missed so many opportunities. Past.
Same idea, different time. This comparison exercise builds real understanding fast.
Tip 4. Write a short paragraph about a decision that changed your life.
If I hadn't moved to this city, I would never have found this job. And if I didn't have this job, I wouldn't be as happy as I am today.
Combining both structures in writing builds fluency very quickly.
Tip 5. Listen for these in movies and shows.
Characters use them in emotional and dramatic moments. Pause and repeat each one.
Train your ear and your confidence will grow naturally and fast.
Quick review. Everything you learned today.
If I didn't, second conditional, imaginary present or future.
Structure, if plus subject plus didn't plus base verb. Subject plus would plus base verb.
If I hadn't, third conditional, imaginary past.
Structure, if plus subject plus hadn't plus past participle. Subject plus would have plus past participle.
Key difference, didn't for now or future, hadn't for the past.
Mistake 1. no if I didn't for past time words. Mistake 2, no if I hadn't for present.
Mistake 3. If I didn't pairs with would, not would have.
Mistake 4, if I hadn't pairs with would have, not just would.
Mistake 5. After hadn't, always use the past participle.
Mistake 6, never use would or would have in the if clause.
Ask yourself, am I imagining a different now or a different then? That is your answer. Final message. You have done something wonderful today.
2 of the most confusing structures in English, and now you understand both.
If I didn't and if I hadn't, they are yours now. Use them.
These are not just grammar rules, they're tools for real, meaningful communication.
Every time you use one of these, you are speaking English at a higher level.
If you hadn't listened to this episode, you would have missed something truly valuable.
And if you didn't keep practicing from today, you would miss out on all that confidence.
So practice, speak, write, and believe in yourself.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
Leave us a comment. Write one sentence using if I didn't and one using if I hadn't.
We read every single comment and we love hearing from you.
Keep learning, keep growing, and keep going.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.